Welcome to my channel Numan Tech Review. What is real estate? Real estate is the land along with any permanent improvements attached to the land, whether natural or the man-made, including water, trees, materials, buildings, homes, and bridges. Real estate is a form of real property. It differs from personal property, which are things not permanent attached to the land, such as boat, jewelries, furniture, and farm equipment. Real estate is a class of real property that includes land and anything permanent attached to it. Natural or man-made, there are five main categories of real estate. Residential, industrial, land, and special use. You can invest in real estate directly by purchasing a home, rental property, or other property indirectly through a real estate investment trust. Real estate. Understanding real estate, people often use the term land, real estate, and real property interchangeable, but there are some stable distinctions. Land refers to the earth surface, down the contour or the earth, and upward to the air phase above, including the trees, minerals and water. Real estate is the land plus any permanent man-made additions such as housing and other buildings. Real property, one of the two main classification of property, is the interested benefit and rights inherent in the ownership of real estate. Broadly speaking, real estate includes the physical surface of the land, what lies above or below it, what is permanent attached to it, plus all the right of ownership, include that right of possess, sell, lease, and enjoy land. Real property should not be confused with personal property, which encompasses a property that does not fit the definition of real property. The primary characteristics of personal property is its movable. Example include boots, furniture, clothing, and smartphones. Physical characteristics of real estate. Land has three physical characteristics that differentiate it from other estates in the economy. Immobility. While some parts of land are removable and the topography can be altered to the geography, location of any parcel of land can never be changed. Permanent. Unique is no two parcels of land can be exactly the same, even though they may share similarities. Every parcel differs geographical, economic characteristic of real estate. Land also has some distinct economic characteristics that influence its value as invest. Scarcity. While land considered rare, the total supply is fixed. Improvements, any addition or change to the land or the building that affect to the property value is called an improvement. Improvements of a private nature such as home and fences are referred to as improvement on the land. Improvement of a public nature, e.g. sidewalk and sewer system, are called improvements to the land. Permanence of investment. Once land improvement, the total capital and labor used to build an investment represent sizable fixed investment. Even though a building can be result improvements like drives, electrical, water and sewer system tend to be a permanent because they cannot remove or place economically. Location or area performance. Location refer to people choice and tested regards A given area, beside on factors like conveniences, reporters, and history location, is one of the most important economic characteristic of land. Thus, the saying location, type of real estate. There are five main of type of real estate. Many professionals and business, including accounts, bank, title insurance companies, and lawyers also depend on the real estate industry. Real estate is a critical drive of economic growth. Growth is the US. In fact, housing starting the number of new resident construction project is any given month received by the US Currencies Economics in Director. The report includes building permanent housing start and housing complaint data divided into three different categories: single family houses, homes with 2 4 units, multifamily buildings with 5 or more units such as apartment complex. 1. Investors or analysts keep a close eye of housing starting because the number can provide a general sense of economics direction. The type of a new housing starting can give about how to economics developing. Example housing starting for example, if housing start include favor single family and more multifamily start, it could indicate an impending supply store for single family homes, which could drive up home prices. The following shows 20 years of housing start from January 1, 2000 to February 2020. Housing starting 20 year of housing starts. Source Federal Reserve Bank of St. How to invest to real estate? There are number of ways to invest in real estate. Some of the most common ways in invest directly include home ownership, house flipping. If you buy physical property, rental properties, house flipping, you can make money two different ways: revenue from rent from leasing and appreciations of the real estate value you like. Other investment real estate is drum is offered by its location, factory set